Hey everyone! In this video, I'm going to show you how to add a shopping cart to your Wix website so you can transform your site into a fully functional online store and start accepting orders in 2026. Let's get into it. First, open the App Market and search for Wix stores. The first step is installing the e-commerce infrastructure. In 2026, the shopping cart is part of the comprehensive Wix Stores suite, which handles everything from your product gallery to the final secure checkout. From your Wix editor, navigate to the left-hand sidebar and click the Add Apps icon, the four small squares. In the search bar at the top, type Wix Stores. Look for the official app by Wix and click the blue Add to Site button. This is the engine phase. By adding Wix Stores, the platform doesn't just give you a cart, it automatically generates a shop page, product pages, and the cart page itself. This ensures all the technical handshaking between your inventory and the payment gateway is set up correctly from the start. Next, locate the cart icon in your header. Once the app is installed, Wix will typically place a default cart icon in your site's header. You need to ensure it is positioned perfectly for your visitors to find. Look at the top right of your header. If the icon isn't there, go to Add Elements, Store, Shopping Cart, and drag it into your header. Click the Settings gear icon to choose your icon style. You can choose a classic cart, a minimal bag, or a modern basket. This is the navigation phase. In 2026, users instinctively look to the top right of a website to find their total. By placing and styling the icon here, you meet user expectations and reduce the friction that causes people to leave a site without finishing their purchase. Next, choose your cart display type. Wix gives you two primary ways to show customers what they've picked out. Choosing the right one depends on how you want your customers to shop. Click the cart icon and select Settings. Under the Settings tab, look for Cart Display. Choose between a side cart or mini cart, which slides out from the right, or a cart page which takes the user to a dedicated full-screen view. This is the flow phase. In 2026, the side cart is the most popular choice because it allows customers to see their items and the checkout button immediately without leaving the page they're on. This keeps them engaged with your other products while still moving them toward the final sale. And that's pretty much it. To add a shopping cart in 2026, start by searching for Wix Stores in the App Market and adding it to your site. Position and style your cart icon in the header, then decide whether you want a side cart or a full cart page for your checkout flow. Finally, customize your button colors for better visibility, check your mobile view, and hit Publish to take your store live. I hope this helped you out, and I see you in the next one.